Hello, this is Hercules Optics. Here is our Kirin optical platform demo case. The demo case contains all the products of our Kirin platform. Many friends may not be very clear about how to use it correctly. Today, I will show you how to use it. Open the case. You will see a product poster. The poster provides all the product information for you in the box. Here is our product samples. Our Dark Series, Mooney, Filmy, Peak, Gladys, Gemini, V Series, Rainbow Series, Zoom Module, and our Mavic. Mavic needs actual application. Here is our light hood, light filter, lens holder, COB holder, and COB. For example, we can choose a COB with 6mm LES and choose a lens to add. Then find a hood, match with our brackets. Then you can install it. Next, link our power. You only need to turn on the switch. It can for you to test the light spots. In addition, you can only add a filter to achieve different light spots, such as single asymmetric, double asymmetric, linear spots, and washing light spots. Turn on the switch. It is convenient for you to test the spots. Based on the interchangeability of the whole Kirin optical platform, if you want to get other series light spots, you can only replace the lens. For example, we add the Peak series. It's okay. The Gemini series is the same. Easy installed. For the market demand, we currently have diameter 35 and diameter 45 demo case. If you're interested in our products, you can click on the link or leave your message below our video.